ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सुमुखश्च एकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरश्च विकटो विघ्नराजो विनायकः धूमकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षः बालचन्द्रो गजाननः वक्रतुण्डः शूर्पकर्णो हेरम्बः स्कन्दपूर्वजः शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजम् प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये यस्य वरदवक्त्राद्या पारिषद्या परस्ततम् विघ्नं निघ्नन्ति सततं विश्वक्सेनं तमाश्रये गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. With Bhagwan's grace, we came up to slokam number 11. Harehe gunaha akshipta matihi Bhagavan Badarayanihi adhyagat mahat akyanam nityam Vishnujana priyaha. Akshipta, fully absorbed in matihi, the mind like that. In Harehe gunaha, the gunas of Hari, Bhagavan Badarayanihi, Bhagavan Sri Sukamuni, who is the son of Badarayana, the Vyasa, Adhyagata, and Adhyagata is experienced, not even studied. There is nothing for him to study. He Adhyagata, the Adhyayanam means one meaning is study, the other one is to practice. So that by practice you experience. So Adhyagata was fully immersed in the love of Bhagavan. Mahatakhyanam Nityam Vishnujana Priyaha. He loves those people who love Mahavishnu, who love God. Lakshmi Sukamani, that is why he came seeking King Parikshit. Even though Parikshit did not ask for him, he came looking for him. That is the beauty of Mahans, and that is the beauty of Bhagavatas. Because when you enter the Bhagavata path, Bhagavan guides the way. He himself comes and guides the way for you. Number 12. Parikshitaha ata rajarishehe janmakarma vilapanam samstam cha panduputranam vakshye Krishna kata udayam. Now, what Sutta is now continuing is that after this is what happened. He answered the question from Sukhamuni, who is in Brahman Jnanam always, right from birth. How come he went and listened to this Bhagavata Katha that is being narrated and shared by Vyasamuni? And then he answered that. Then now Sutta now begins the story of, he says now in this lokam, Parikshitaha atha rajarishehe janma karma vilapanam samstam cha panduputranam vakshye Krishna kata udayam. Atha, thus, now, Parikshitaha rajarishehe, the Rajarishi Parikshit, his janma, his birth, his karma, his activity, and vilapanam. Vilapanam is beautiful. It means deliverance as well as it means destruction. So when we destroy our karmas, we get delivered also, right? So vilapanam, janma karma, how did he overcome the bondage of janma and karma and samstam cha, by how did he renounce the whole world? You have got to give up the world at some point or another to hold on to Bhagavan. There is no escape from that rule. Nobody can escape that rule. Moment I hold the world, I move away from Bhagavan. If I want to hold to Bhagavan, then I must give up the world. But renouncing not for namesake, but in an attitude fashion, that there is nothing other than Bhagavan. Samstam cha. How did he renounce the whole world? Gave up everything in a kshanam, right? And Panduputranam, and not only that, Parikshita, Panduputranam, the sons of Pandu, Vakshye, I am going to tell you about it. I will speak about it. Krishna Katha Udayam. Through that, the Katha of Krishna is going to Udayam. It does not mean it is born. Okay, Udayam means one is to born. But like when we say sunrise, does the sun really rise? We say Suryodaya, right? It does not rise. It manifests itself like that. the Krishna Katha, the Katha of Krishna is now manifested in a way that people like us can understand. Parikshitah ata Rajarishehe Janmakarva Vilapanam Samstam cha Panduputranam Bhakshye Krishna Katha Udayam. Number 13 and 14 we will take together. Yada Mrudhe Kaurava Srinjayanam Vireshu Ato Viragatim Gateshu Vrukodara Avidha Gada Abhimarsa Bhagna Urudande Dhritarashtra Putre. Number 13. Let me read that again so you can follow that at your end. Yada Mrudhe Kaurava Srinjayanam Vireshu Ato Viragatim Gateshu Vrukodara Avidha Gada Abhimarsa Bhagna Urudande Dhritarashtra Putre. Number 14. Bhartuhu Priyam Drauniriti Sma Pasyanne Krishna Sutanam Sapatam Siramsi Upaharat Priyameva Tasya Jugutsitam Karma Vigar Hayanti. Bhartuhu Priyam Drauniriti Sma Pasyanne Krishna Sutanam Sapatam Siramsi Upaharat Vipriyameva Tasya Jukupsitam Karma Vigar Ayanti. Now, Yada Mrudhe Kaurava Srinjayanam Vireshu Atho Viragatim Gateshu. Yata, when Mrudhe in the battlefield, Kauravas, Srinjayanam, the Pandavas, Vireshu, these various courageous warriors, Ato, after that, Viragatim Gateshu. Beautiful. Is a Kshatriya Dharma, as Krishna Bhagavan explains, teaches in Bhagavad Gita. To die in the battle for a Kshatriya is the opening of the Swargat Bharam, right? So Viragatim Gateshu, after in the middle of the battlefield, the Kauravas, the Pandavas, all the warriors, after that, they all Viragatim Gateshu, they attained the goal of being a Kshatriya, which is battle, and then they give up their life. At that time, Vrikodara, like we know Damodara, right? And those Udara means belly, basically. Vrika means wolf. Now, Vrikodara means it's literally translated, it's the belly of a wolf. But here, what it means is Bhima. Bhima had such a narrow, like how a wolf has got a belly. If you look at it, it is so thin, right? It is not big at all. Like that, Bhima's belly was very, very thin, very narrow it was. But as a wolf does, his appetite was huge. So Vrikodara means Bhima. What did Bhima do? Avidha Gada Abhimarsa Bhagna Urudande Dhritarashtra Putre. Dhritarashtra Putre. Here he means Duryodhana, Dhritarashtra Putre. What did he do to him? Avidha. And he wounded him. How did he wound him? Gada, which is mace. And what happened? Abhimarsa Bhagna Urudande. And what did he do? Abhimarsa means to grab, to take hold of, to catch, to seize. He got hold of Duryodhana, Dhritarashtra Putra, and Avidha, he wounded him with his mace, and grasping him, Bhagna Urudande. And by holding him, Bhagna means to cut, to fracture. And what did he, to split open? What did he split open? Urudande. Urudande means spinal cord. So he got hold of Duryodhana, seized him, and he wounded him with his mace and fractured his spinal cord. Yada Mrudhe Kaurava Srinjayanam Vireshu Atho Viragatim Gateshu Vrikodara Avidha Gada Abhimarsa Bhagna Urudande Dhritarashtra Putre. Number 14. Bhartuhu Priyam Drauniriti Sma Pasyanne Krishna Sutanam Swapatam siramsi upaharate vipriyameva tasya jukupsitam karma vigarhayanti. Now, when this is done, Partuhu and Priyam, see, Partuhu, Priyam, Drauniriti, and Draunihi iti. Like we saw Badarayanihi, that means son of Badarayana. Draunihi means the son of Drona, who is Aswathama. And Bhartuhu Priyam. Bhartuhu means master, one whom you are working for. That is what Bhartuhu means. So, here who was Aswathama's master? It was Duryodhana. And Priyam. And you and I may not like Duryodhana, but there are lots of people who liked him, who worked for him, right? And he looked after them well. So Aswathama, Priyam Bhartuhu, out of the love that he had for his master, Draunihi Aswathama, iti sma pasyanna. Sma. He saw. Sma means, like saying, you will do, you shall do, like that. That there is a certain definitive thing associated with that. Pasyanna. This Aswathama saw. What did he see? Krishna Sutanam Swapatam Siramsi. He wanted to take revenge because Bhima broke and fractured his master's spinal cord. So he saw that. So he wanted to, out of his love to him, then what did he see? What did Aswathama see? He saw Krishna Sutanam, Pasyanna Krishna Sutanam, the sons of Krishna here means not our Sri Krishna, but the Draupadi. She has the name Krishna also. Okay, it's a beautiful reason why Draupadi is also called Krishna. Okay, and something to be enjoyed and experienced at the leisurely time. Now, Krishna Sutana, the sons of Krishna, Swapatam, how did he see them? He saw them sleeping. Swapatam means to sleep. So, Aswathama saw the Draupadi's children sleeping, and what did he do? Sirasam Upaharate. Sirasam Upaharate. The heads of those children, Upaharate, he offered as gift. That means he cut it and took it and took it to his master, who is Duryodhana. Okay, as a revenge, to avenge what had been done by Bhima to him. Vipriyam eva. He did that. Upaharate, delivered it as a gift in order to Vipriyam eva, to please his master. Vipriyam eva, pleasing only. Now, that Aswathama's act, Jukupsitam, we have come across this word before. Jukupsitam, most heinous, most horrendous crime that you can think of. Jukupsitam karma, the most heinous act, deplorable, despicable act that he has done, to kill children while they are asleep. So this, looking at this, at his act of such a despicable act, Jukupsitam karma, Bihar Hayanti. His master Duryodhana was not pleased. Bihar Hayanti means he disapproved of that action. Aswathama cut the heads of Draupadi's children, offered them as gift to please his master Duryodhana, but looking at this most cruel act of Aswathama, Duryodhana did not approve it. Yada mrudhe kaurava srinjayanam vireshu ato viragatim gateshu Prukodara avidha gada abhimarsta bhagna urdande dhritarashtra putre. Okay, now you can hear me. You came up to, we finished up to 16. No, not 16, the 14. Were you able to hear up to that point, Bihar Hayanti?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Is my voice clear now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's continue. So, number 15. So, this is what happened. Duryodhana disapproved this most cruel, heinous, unimaginably cruel act that Aswathama did to please him. He disapproved that. Vigarhayanti, he disapproved. Number 15. Mata sisunam nidhanam sutanam nisamya ghoram paritapya mana sada arudat vashpa kala akula akshi tam antvayan aha kirita mali. Mata sisunam nidhanam sutanam nisamya ghoram paritapya mana sada arudat vashpa kala akula akshi tam antvayan aha Kirita Mali. Kirita Mali means Arjuna. Kirita, one who is wearing the crown. Aha, he spoke. What did he speak? Mata Sisuna Nidhanam. Just imagine what Draupadi, the mother, would have gone through when she saw her children, her heads have been severed, and while they were asleep. And what harm did the children do? Nothing. Mata Sisunam, the children, Nidhunam, the massacre that has taken place at night time, Sutanam, her children, and Nisamya. When she heard this, Nisamya means to hear. Goram, this ghastly act, Paritapyamana, Paritapam. How will you console what misery, what suffering she would be experiencing? Paritapyamana. Sada, after hearing this, Nisamya, and when the message sank in of the massacre that had taken place, you have to picture this. You have to imagine, try to be with Draupadi at this moment. How ghastly and cruel, and there is no words to describe the pain and suffering, the misery. And Tada, then Arudata, naturally, the moment she heard this and the message sank in, what would the mother do? She began to cry. Not an ordinary cry. Vashpakala akula akshi. With tears pouring down like a torrential rain out of her eyes. That's how she was crying. Unconsolable, impossible. Such a cruel act, can you imagine being done to anybody? That's what happened to her. Tam, to her. And akula means fully agitated. Naturally she was disturbed. Tam, Vashpa means tears, okay? Kala means we all cry out of weakness. Now this here, the kala denotes a softness, okay? That softness of her heart. And because the tears comes, akula, completely agitated, unsettled. And akshi means ice. So tears were coming out in torrential pour. To her, Santvayane, to pacify her, to comfort her, because when somebody is suffering, actually we want to comfort and pacify them. So Santvayane, to pacify and calm her down, Kiritamali, Arjuna spoke. Mata Sisunam Nidhanam Sutanam Nisamya Ghoram Paritapya Mana Sada Arudate Vashpakala Akula Akshi Tam Santvayane Kiritamali. Number 16. Tada Suchahate Pramrujami Bhadre Yat Brahmabandho Sira Adatayinaha Gandiva Muktaihi Vitikaihi Upahare Sva Akramya Yat Nasyati Dagdha Putra. Tada Suchahate Pramrujami Bhadre Yat Brahmabandho Sira Adatayinaha Gandiva Muktaihi Visikaihi Upahare Sva Akramya Yat Nasyati Dagdha Putra. O Bhadre, O soft one, O gentle one, he addresses her. Tada, then, Te Suchaha, your tears, Pramrujami, I will wipe away your tears. O Bhadre, O gentle lady, he says. Yat, when, how? Brahmabandhoho Sira Atatayinaha. The Atatayinaha means one who does any one of the 5 Mahapapam, Pancha Papangas. One of them is murder. And murdering children, especially sleeping, this is the height of cruelty. Okay? So this, the Atatayana, this murderer, Brahmabandhoho, who is the despicable Brahmin who has fallen down from the Brahminhood with a single act, that Aswathama Sira, his head, okay, and Gandiva Muktaihi, that head will be shot by this bow Gandiva. Visikaihi, with the arrows coming from the bow Gandiva, his head will be shot. And not only that, once that head is shot down, Upahare, I will bring that as a gift to you, as a present to you. Tva, to you, to yourself. Upahare, I will bring it as a gift and present it to you. Akramya, what you do, you sit on that head. He said, sit on that head that I brought to you as a gift, the head of Aswathama that I bring to you as a gift. You sit on that head. And doing that, which then Snasyasi, you take your bath and Dagdaputra, then you burn the sons. There's a final cremation that has to be done for the children who have been killed. After that, you do the final cremation. Sitting on the head that I'll bring to you. After that, you take bath and do the Dagdaputra, the final cremations for the children. Tada suchahate pramujami badre yat brahmabandhoho sira atatayinah gandiva muktaihi visikaihi upahare tva akramya yat snasyati Dagdaputra. Number 17. Iti priyam valgu vichitra jalpaihi saha sanpayitva achyuta mitra sutaha anvadravate damsita ugradhanva kapidvajaha kuruputram rakhena. Iti priyam valgu vichitra jalpaihi saha sanpayitva achyuta mitra sutaha anvadravate damsita ugradhanva kapidvajaha kuruputram rakhena. Iti, thus, Priyam, with out of love, tremendous love to Draupadi, Falgu, very sweet. Vichitra, Vichitra is something that's wonderful. Wonderful, I mean, to somebody to tell you that I'll bring his head and you sit on it and take a bath after that, and then after that do your cremation for the children and all that. I mean, it's wondrous to even those kind of words. Jalpaihi, those various statements that he made. Valgu Vichitra Jalpaihi, the sweet but at the same time wondrous and extremely comforting and assuring statements that have been made. If he does, Saha Santayitva, Saha, that Arjuna Santayitva, to please, to pacify and comfort his wife Draupadi. Achyuta Mitra Sutaha. Beautiful word to describe Arjuna. I never come across this before. Achyuta, Bhagavan's secret. Achyuta means the one who is dependable. That's all. None of us is dependable. None of us can depend on anybody else. The only entity, only person we can depend upon is Bhagavan. And the dependability who never lets us down, that is Achyuta. Mitra, the friend of Achyuta. Krishna teaches Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna because not only he was a devotee, he was also a friend. He himself says that, you are my devotee as well as my friend. So he's my friend. Achyuta Mitra Sutaha. Now, Sutaha means charioteer. And Bhagavan was a charioteer for Arjuna. So Achyuta Mitra Sutaha, one who is a friend of Achyuta and one who also had Achyuta has his charioteer, that Arjuna, Santayitva, to pacify. Then what did he do? Anvadravate, very quickly and swiftly, didn't waste a single moment, and he started following. And who did he follow? We'll see that in a minute. Damsita, he adorned, he wore various things, to go for a war. Ugradhanva. Dhanva means Tanuhu, means this bow. And Gandivam is one of the most ferocious bows. And it fought with even Shiva himself, right? And so Ugradhanva, that the ferocious and most powerful weapons, he adorned all them. Kapidvajaha. Kapi means monkey. Vajaha means flat post. Arjuna's chariot, in the flag had Bhagavan, Hanuman in it. Okay, and there is a beautiful story behind it. Kapit Vajaha, one whose chariot flag had Hanuman in it, that Arjuna, Achyutamitra Sutaha, what did he do? Advadravat Guruputram Rathena. He started following Guruputram. His guru is Drona. Drona's son is Aswathama. Rathena. No, Aswathama has gone. So he got upon a chariot and started following him. Iti Priyam Vargu Vichitra Jalpaihi Sara Sansvayatva Achyutamitra Sutaha Anvadravat Damsita Ugradhanpa Apit Bhajaha Guruputram Rathena. Now, number 18. Tam Apatantam Saha Vilakshya Durat Kumaraha Advigna Manaha Rathena Paradravat Prana Paritsu Uruvyam Yavat Gamam Rudrabayat Yata Arkaha. Tam Apatantam Saha Vilakshya Durat Kumaraha Advigna Manaha Rathena Paradravat Prana Paritsu Uruvyam Yavat Gamam Rudrabhayat Yata Arkaha. Come, him, that Arjuna who is following him, Apatantam, and he was coming towards him furiously. Saha Vilakshya, that Aswathama saw him, Durat, from a distance. The Kumaraha, where does it say Aswathama? Kumaraha, the one who killed the children. Kumara, the children, Ha means to kill. Kumaraha, the killer of the children, saw Arjuna following him very furiously from a distance. Immediately, Advigna Manaha, Aswathama's mind became highly disturbed. Advigna, to fear, anxiety, worry, so many things came immediately. Rathena, he was riding in his chariot. Then what did he do? Rathena, Paradravate, he fled away, he ran away. Why? Prana Parittuhu, in order to protect his life. He ran away. And how did he run? How did he flee? Uruvyam, with great speed, he ran away from Arjuna. Yavat Gamam. And how did he flee? How did he run away? Yavat Gamam. How, as he fled, what did it look like? Rudrabhayat Yata Arkaha. Once upon a time, Arkaha means Brahma. How did Brahma flee away from Rudra out of fear to Rudra? The same way, Aswathama fled furiously and very fast, very quickly to protect his life away from Arjuna, who was coming at him furiously. And Aswathama saw that from a distance, so he ran away. Tam Apatantam Saha Vilaksha Durate Kumaraha Advigna Manaha Rathena Paradravate Prana Paripsuhu Uruvyam Yavat Gamam Rudrabhayat Yata Arkaha. Number 19. Yada Asharanam Atmanam Aikshata Sranta Vajinam Astram Brahmasiraha Mene Atmatranam Dvija Atmajaha. Yada Asharanam Atmanam Aikshata Sranta Vajinam Astram Brahmasiraha Mene Atmatranam Dvija Atmajaha. Dvija Atmajaha. Dvija Brahmin here means Drona. Atmajaha, the son of Drona. Aswathama. Yada, when Asharanam Atmanam, to Atmanam, to his own self. Asharanam, he found he had no protection. Absolutely no protection at all. Aikshata, he saw that. He didn't have any protection. Okay, he could see. And why? Santa Vajinam. Santa means very tired. Vajina means horses. His horses were very tired, exhausted. He saw that, Aikshata. Then Atmanam Asharanam, he had no other getaway, no other, nothing he could do. He was absolutely defenseless, no protection. Therefore, Astram Brahmasiraha Mene. The Brahmastram, Brahmasiraha Astram, Brahmastram. The Brahmasiram, Sira means the most exalted, the topmost of the Astrangal is Brahmastram. Mene, he thought about it. He thought about that, okay, of the Brahmastram, because he had no other protection. And why did you do that? Atmatranam to save himself from Arjuna, who was following so furiously. Yada asharanam atmanam aikshata sranta vajinam atram brahmasirah mene atmatranam vija atmajaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Harihi Om. Samastalokaah Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastalokaah Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastalokaah Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo